Okay. So at previous class, we did update employee. Here we are using use effect to get the get call. We did the get call for the values, and we already set the values here. While submitting, it is going to add the duplicate record. Why? Because we are not change the save method here, right? Now we are changing. So what we are doing? Okay. So change the add or update, which is already done. Here change the save employee name to save or update. Okay. Write ActJoy's REST client code for the update employee. Okay. And use the update employee ActJS call in a employee component to set the values in edit mode. Okay. So which is already done. Okay. And for update employee, we are going to use for update. Okay. Add condition in save or update function. If ID present, it will be update call. If ID not, it will be a add call, right? So based on that, it will be add call. And test the above changes. So first of all, coming to employee service here. So export constant update employee. Update employee. Here we are taking two parameters. One is ID. ID taking. Why? Because I am passing ID as well as employee object. If it is present backend, it will be updated. Okay. So here axo is dot. Obviously put. Okay. Here REST client code. Base URL plus ID. ID we are passing as well as employee object. Okay. So /ID it will be there. Okay. What happens? Okay, this is the syntactical errors. Fine. This is also unit type. We are not defining any interface or interface classes for the employee object. So as of now, we are giving the any. Okay, that's fine. So we are added update employee. Now you can go to the employee txt. Okay, here, come here. You can change the save or update. Okay, you can change the save or update. Save or update employee. Go to the function, save function here. Change here, save or update. Okay, save or update. So here inside the validate form, you can okay. Here, this will be the update, right? If ID present, else. Okay, you can copy this, put in else condition, right? Remove the unnecessary spaces. So here, so instead of get employee, you are calling update employee from the service component, right? Here we are passing ID comma employee, right? Dot then, okay. Then the same way you can copy this one. Okay, you can copy need to copy right. Arrow function. Okay. So here console dot log response dot data. The same you can add the response here. Response data. And you can navigate to the employee list. You can navigate to the employee list. And in both the cases, you can add catch. You can add catch. Error function. The same function we are using. Okay, fine. So you can see now, here you can see the same function, the save or update function only, the save or update function only. We are using, sorry, we are using validations. Okay, inside the validations, we are load these are the common, right? So if ID present, it will be update. If ID not, it will be save. It will be create employee, right? This use effect is whenever we are using, right? Whenever we are editing, right? Update employee. So just we are setting the values here by passing this ID. Okay. Page title, of course, we are update or get update or add employee. So validations we have, and this is the form, right? The same form we are using save and update. Okay. By changing the small, by adding the small condition. Now you can check now. Prasad 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4. Okay. Submit. See now, it is not added, it is updated. Okay, we already added the updated function. Okay, let add one employee here. Satya, Chandaka, Satya @email.com. Skills, Java testing. Okay, it is updated. Okay, it is added. Sorry, it is added. View, it is working fine. And now update. Just I'm changing Satya to Abhi. Okay, Abhi, Oppo. Here, Java microservices. I'm submitting. The same in such a place, fourth record only, it is updated, right? So now we are successfully added and completed view functionality, update functionality, and add functionality, and list functionality. And wherever you go back, right, you can back to home. Update, you can back to home, right? And update employee, it is populating the details. You can go back, right? Now the last functionality we are going to add delete functionality now after this call. Okay.